Hello dear mathematic friends! Today, systems of linear equations using the substitution method. Follow me please. First of all, we must see that we need to solve two equations with two unknowns at the same time. That's why we have a system of equations. After that, we need to see if x is in a cone, y in another cone, and the numbers in another cone. Otherwise, you have to organize that in order to have x, y, and the independent term. After that, remember that you need to find one value for x and one value for y. And those values replaced here, plugged here, need to make true the both equations at the same time. So we are going to follow three steps. Very simple. Substitution is the word that is telling us what to do. Then, first of all, solve one of the equations for x or y. I am going to call this the first equation, this the second equation. So, step 1. Solve 1, the first equation. I have chosen the first equation, but I can choose the second equation. Doesn't matter. I can isolate x here, isolate y here, isolate x here, or isolate y here. 4 possibilities, and that's the same answer. So solve the first equation for x, for instance. If I isolate x here, y will pass as negative y to the other side, and I will get x equal to negative y. Second step, substitute this value, this expression, into the other equation. That's very important, into the other equation. So, substitute, in this case, x into the other equation, the second equation. So, instead of writing x, I will put the value of x, negative y. So, negative, the value of x, that is negative y, plus y is equal to 2. Negative times negative is positive, y plus y is equal to 2. 2y is equal to 2, and y will be equal to 2 over 2. And the answer is y is equal to 1. I have found the first answer. Third step. Resubstitute the value into any of the original equations. So, substitute y, in this case, into, I can choose the first or the second, for example, the first equation. So, I take the first equation, and instead of writing y, I will write 1. X plus 1 is equal to 0. And here it is very simple. 1 will pass as negative 1, and the answer is that x has a value of negative 1 and y 1. So I can write the final answer as the set of negative 1 and 1. First x, after that y. Very, very simple. So if you plug the negative 1 here and here, and the 1 here and here, you will see that both equations are true. Thank you very much, dear mathematic friends. See you next time.